Here I am back again with another case for the 15 Pro Max. This is one of the most requested cases from you guys, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So as you know, I'm a massive fan of armored fiber cases. They are my jam and I have tried a lot of different makes and brands on the channel. However, a lot of people have been asking me to pick up the Rebel Gen 5 case for the 15 Pro Max and I have it here today. So let's check this out. So I will say this isn't the easiest case to find here in the UK, but I managed to find it randomly on Amazon and was able to pick it up. So let's check it out. So on the back here of the box, there's all the features of this case. So you can change buttons, you can change the camera array, you can change the logo and all that type of thing. It says here, strong Magsafe, super grip, easy swipe, you know, tactile buttons, shock absorption. Sounds good. So let's check it out. And there we go. There is the Phone Rebel Gen 5. And yeah, first impressions. It looks pretty good. So it comes with a screen protector. That's pretty cool. And a little screen protector kit. And nothing else. So I assume that these other little pieces that you can change on this case, you pick these up, you know, from Phone Rebel themselves. So as you can see here, we have metal buttons, we have a metal camera array, and we have a metal logo here as well. So if we just flip it on to the inside, you can see we've got this microfiber lining. We also have, if you can see here in the corners, we've got the shock absorption material, because as you know, when you drop a phone, it usually lands corner down, so it's good to get that shock absorption on the corners. And then on the inside as well, you can see there's these little screws for the camera array. So these are CNC machined bits of metal, and you know, you can obviously unscrew them and swap them out for different ones, which is a really cool option, and it allows you to customize your case. I haven't seen many cases where you can actually change the camera array on it, so that's pretty cool if I'm being honest. If you look on the sides here, you can actually see the grippy side parts, which are very noticeable in your hand, so you can get that grip. A lot of armored fiber cases, especially on the bumpers, are completely smooth, which doesn't give you much grip, so Phone Rebel have addressed this, which is really awesome. So before we check this out, we'll just weigh this case just to see what the weight of it is like. And if we just pop that on there, 55 grams. 55 grams isn't actually bad for armored fiber case with metal camera guard and metal buttons. That's actually not bad, and yeah, I kind of dig that. So just pop the 15 Pro Max in and voila. So this is the Gen 5 on the blue 15 Pro Max, and it doesn't look out of place. That sort of gunmetal grey camera bump, I kind of like that. Very nice. Now what I will say, so these are sort of like hard plastic TPU bumpers, and then we've got the armored fiber on the back, so it's 1500D armored fiber. My fave. I really like it. It is going to get fingerprints. It's the nature of the beast, unfortunately, but microfiber cloth, you've no problems. So buttons, as you can see here, metal buttons which are swappable, and if we just test them, clicky, tactile, actually fantastic buttons. Just check the action button there. Yeah, no problems. No problems at all. And we'll just do the fitment test then. So we just take the corners and we just give it a twist, and you can see there the phone is secure. It is not moving inside this case. That is what you want. And if we just check out the screen lip then, so as you can see, the corners are raised here at each point, but the phone itself is more or less flush with the case at the sides and at the bottom and the top. So Phone Rebel call this their easy swipe function of their case, so it means you can swipe right to the edge of the display and it's not taking anything up. And then if you put that down flat, those corners lift that up off the surface. You're not going to get any rubbing on your display. Yeah, that's pretty decent. I do like that. Camera guard then, if we just check it, the camera lenses do not protrude outside of the metal camera guard. And of course, you set that down flat, it's not going to rough up those lenses. You've got that metal camera guard protection. It's really good. And I will say, I'm really impressed with the side of this case. You know, this is obviously like it's kind of like a star, like a ninja star type pattern is what I would call it. But it is it's quite coarse and it is very, very grippy. So I do not foresee any problems holding this and having decent grip on this case. I'm really, really surprised at how much I actually do like it. It's really good. And of course, this is a Magsafe case, so we can do a Magsafe test. And Phone Rebel have said that these have strong, and I quote, strong magnets. So let's check them out. Yeah. Oh, holy heck. Look at that. Not even put my hand out. That's awesome. And if we just... Oh, yeah. So this stand weighs over 200 grams. And yeah, that's not moving at all. That's really, really good. So if you have that on like a car mount or a bike mount or anything like that there... Well, not a bike mount, not many Magsafe bike mounts out there to be honest, but if you do put this on like a desk mount, or if you put this on a car mount or anything, you hit bumps on the road or any of that sort of thing, it's not going to fall off at all. I mean, look at that, I'm not even putting my hand out. That's really good. Oh, holy frig. That's really good. Yeah, top marks, top Magsafe case. Cannot fault that at all. Now I know this is kind of a case that is readily available in the US. It's not really that accessible here in the UK, but I did manage to find it on Amazon. So I would highly recommend this case. If you can pick this up, I will leave you a link in the description down below to where I found it on Amazon. If you want to pick this case up, I would highly recommend it. This is definitely up there with the likes of the Bataka Maggie Z Pro, the likes of the Binks Armor Pro, and any of those other top end armored fiber cases. I mean, this is up there. So what do you guys think of the Phone Rebel Gen 5? Let me know in the comments down below. Keep luck to the channel. I have a lot more cases and accessories coming for the 15 Pro Max, so stay tuned. And as always, if there is anything that I haven't covered that you guys want to see me review on this channel, hit me up in the comments down below. Let me know what you want to see. This is the reason why I searched hard to get this in the UK for you guys. So if you want to see more on this channel, let me know in the comments down below. So that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. And of course, as always, if you want more down to earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later. Absolutely gorgeous.